You can set a unique notification sound on each app on your Android tablet, but there's one important setting that needs to be enabled first. Let's go to Settings and tap Notifications from the navigation bar on the left. Then we'll go to Advanced Settings. Towards the bottom, you'll see a toggle for managing notification categories for each app. That's the one we'll want to turn on. This gives us a lot more flexibility when it comes to customizing notifications. After this, we'll go back to Notification Settings, and on the very top, there's a menu for App Notifications. You'll see a list of all your apps, and you can choose any app to customize it. Next, we'll go to Notification Categories, which is where we can change the notification sound for the app and the different types of notifications this app has. Some apps will have just a few different categories, while others can have quite a few, like this one here. I can pick a category and then under Sound, change the sound that plays with this type of notification. This is kind of nice because you can have a different sound for different types of notifications. Or you can set them all to use the same sound, whatever fits your needs. But I could, for example, set a different sound for high-priority notifications for some apps, so I know based on the sound what type of notifications I'm getting. And that's how you change notification sounds per app. Tap that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.